masabi mo today, Prince?
My hair was so bad. Like, oh my god. Tapos tignan mo, I fixed my hair on my own and it looks so much better. So, babawi ako sa prom. Babawi ako sa prom.
Sabi bye-bye. Kumusta ang prom today?
Hi, vlog. Vlog.
Kumusta ang prom today?
Just okay.
Kumusta ang prom today?
Peak. I was actually so surprised na marami like super ganda all out.
Bye.
The concept is vampire, Victorian vampire, pirate, librarian.
Me, I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye guys. How was pictorials today? How was pictorials today? How was pictorials today?
Makaganda ko!
How was pictorials yesterday?
Kapon yung sa akin.
Ano masabi mo?
Sakto lang. Ano?
Willard, nakuha ka na?
Natapos kayo
Nakuha ka na?
by 12:30.
Pampero.
Nag-get ka na, Will?
Wait lang. We're here with Prince.
Okay guys, so we're here today. Paano to?
Bakit di ako kita? Ano ba yan?
Pakita mo kami.
Hello.
Yes! Hello children. Future children.
Shout sa makeup ni Idril.
Shout out sa future children namin. Hi guys. Sa budok. Hi guys. Sa budok. Hi guys.
Kasama ko ngayon si Ali King. Grand finalist by the way.
Pala.
Grand finalist by the way.
Lazy.
Yes!
Wala yun.
Say bye-bye.
Okay.
Yes. So, kaganapan ngayon guys is vlog tayo para may ma-post tayo ngayon si Miss A. Kasi these past few weeks actually very inactive si Juan Admin. So, gawin natin ngayon is we're gonna compile some videos and some pictures and sakto no, pagbalikan natin. It's going to be the pictorials from Rivera. So, come along with me. What can you say? Hindi.
Okay, tara, kain na tayo. Say hi sa vlog. Hi! Say hi. Open mo mo the timer. Wait, like yeah. Tama.
Or farm.
Wait.
Okay naman tayo doon. Wala na akong isang gilid eh. Wala na lang, may nataya ako. Skandal yun, skandal. Gising ako na rin. Ito, mainit.
How was pictorials today?
Pogi, napaka-pogi.
How was today? How was today? What is What is love? Baby.
Love, in your perspective, so in my perspective, love is basically, love should be, like, love should be, in a way, na masaya ka. Kung hindi ka masaya, then it is not love. Because in the first place, love must be given, okay? Not parang hinihingin mo.
I like that.
Okay. Angie! Sa iyong palagay. What is love for you? What is love for you? Choose your words wisely. What is love?
Choose your words wisely. My vlog.
Ano man ako magbabayad dyan?